Our next concept is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Square matrix means, what is a square matrix? If number of rows is equal to number of columns, then it is called a square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. If A transpose is equal to A transpose is equal to A, or A dash is equal to A, then A is called a symmetric matrix. A is called a symmetric matrix. Let A be any square matrix of order of n cross n, and if A transpose is equal to A implies A is called a symmetric matrix. For example, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6 and 3x7, 3x7, which is a 3 by 3 matrix here, is a symmetric matrix, find x, then find x. If A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7 is symmetric, find x. Now solution. A matrix is given here. A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7. Already given A is a symmetric. Symmetric means A transpose is equal to A. Since A is a symmetric matrix, then A transpose is equal to A. A transpose is equal to A. Transpose means interchanging the rows and the columns. Here A transpose is minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5x and 3, 6, 7, which is equal to A transpose is equal to A. A is a given matrix, minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x 7. A transpose is equal to A. Already given A is a symmetric matrix. Now we have to find x here. Now equating the corresponding elements. Here x, second row, third element, 6. Also third row, second element. Here also third row, second element. X is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. This concept is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix. If A transpose is equal to minus A. If A transpose is equal to minus A, then A is a skew symmetric matrix. Then A is a skew symmetric matrix. For example, A11 general matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements is equal to 0. Now next condition is, here A12 is equal to minus A21, that is Aij is equal to minus Aji, minus Aji. Aij is equal to minus Aji. In symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aji. That is A is equal to A transpose. A is equal to A transpose and Aij is equal to Aji. In skew symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to minus Aji and all diagonal elements should be 0. Aij is equal to minus Aji. A transpose is equal to A minus A, then A is a skew symmetric matrix. For example, if A is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0 is skew symmetric matrix, then find the x, Now the solution is given A is 0 to 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0. Condition of skew symmetric matrix, diagonal element should be 0. All diagonal elements are 0 and Aij is equal to minus Aji. Then A transpose is equal to minus A transpose, and first row becomes 0 to 1, and second row becomes second row, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0, which is equal to minus A. There is 0 to 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0, implies 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0, which is equal to minus 0, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 2, 0, 2. You have to multiply with minus with all elements. 1 minus x 0, 1 minus x 0 here. Diagonal elements are 0 here and equating to corresponding elements. Also Aij is equal to minus Abi. Aij is equal to minus Abi. Aij, I represents rows, J represents columns. A12, here it is a A12, first row second column. A12 is equal to minus A12, minus A12 is equal to A minus A12, 0 minus 2 minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus x 0. Now here equating to corresponding elements. X is in second row third column, and also second row third column, that is x is equal to 2. From third row second column, minus 2 is equal to minus x, then x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2. For skew symmetric matrix, you have to remember these two. All diagonal elements should be 0. That means A11, A22, A33, A11, A22, A33 should be 0. And second condition is Aij is equal to minus Aji. Here I represents rows and J represents columns. That means A12 is equal to minus A21. Also A13 is equal to minus A31. Means here A12 is 2 here is equal to minus A21. A12 is equal to minus A21. So 2 minus 2, and A13 is equal to A31 minus A31, 1 minus 1, and A23 is equal to A32 minus A32. A23 is equal to minus A32. Here 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Here also same. This in shortcut for inset point of view. Here 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Therefore here x minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Opposite symbol. Aij is equal to minus Aji. So it will be 2. That's it. So this determinates. Next concept is determinants. First case 1, type 1. For 2 by 2 matrix, for 2 cross 2 matrix, let us consider two linear equations. That is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Here x coefficients are a1, a2, y coefficients are b1 and b2, constants are c1 and c2. Here c1 comma c2 not equal to 0. c1 comma c2 is not equal to 0. That means c1 not equal to 0 and c2 is not equal to 0. Now, in matrix form, let us take A. It can be written as in x coefficient a1, y coefficient b1. In second row, a2, b2. It's the coefficient matrix. A is called a coefficient matrix. Next one, capital X. Think what? Two variables here, x and y. X, y is the variable matrix. Here A is called a variable matrix. Next, constants. Ax is equal to b. Another letter B. Constants C1, C2. Here B is called a constant matrix. Now it can be written as Ax is equal to B. Therefore, Ax is equal to B. Now, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix. Correct. A is equal to, let A is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2. Then, determinant of A. Is denoted by modulus A, like this, mod A, and is defined as mod A is equal to modulus of A1, B1, A2, B2. A1, B1, A2, B2, which is equal to A1 into B2, like this arrow to be diagonal. A1 into B2, A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1, Therefore, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix of matrix A, A1, B1, A2, B2 is denoted by mod A. Mod A is equal to A1, B2 minus A2, B1. This is called a determinant of A. Next definition is minor and cofactor. Next we will discuss minor and cofactor of given matrix. The next definition is, let A is equal to, I am taking 3 by 3 matrix here, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Now, minor of an element. Here, minor of A1 is, first row, first element is A1. Here, minor of A1 is eliminating the first row and first column here, first row, first column, remaining submatrix. This is called a submatrix. Determinant of submatrix B2, C2, B3, C3, which is equal to determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. B2, C3, arrow like this, arrow will be like this. B2, C3 minus P3, C2. B2, C3 minus P3, C2. B2 C3 minus B3 C2. This is the minor of first row first element A1. Next one, minor of B1. Minor of B1. First row second element. B1 is in first row second element. Minor of B1 is equal to, eliminating this row column, remaining submatrix is A2 C2, A2 C2, A3 C3, A3 C3. Then A2 C3, A2 C3 minus A3 C2, A2 C3 minus A3 C2. Similarly, minor of C1, minor of C1. Eliminating these two, we'll get a 2 by 2 submatrix A2 B2, A3 B3, which is equal to A2 B3 minus A3 B2, A3 B2. So on like this. Similarly, we can do minor of A2, minor of B2, minor of C2, minor of B3, A3, minor of B3, minor of C3, so on. This is the minor of an element. The next definition is cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. Same matrix here. A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, and A3 B3 C3. A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Now cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of an element. Minor of an element. Minor of an element. Cofactor of an element is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of an element. Here I represents rows and j represent columns. Now first row first element is A1. Now cofactor of A1 is equal to, and the formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of an element, minor of A1 here, minor of A1, which is equal to minus 1 whole power. Now here A1 is in first row first element. A1 is in first row first element. First row first element. That means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. Now put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 into minor of A1. Minor of A1. B2 C3. Sorry, B2 C2. B3 C3. Which is equal to minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 to minus 1 whole square into determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Which is equal to minus 1 whole square becomes plus only B2 C3 minus B3 C2. This is the cofactor of A1. Similarly, next element, cofactor of B1. Cofactor of B1 is equal to, now here B1 is in first row second element. B1 is in first row and second column. First row second column. So the formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of B1. Minor of B1, which is equal to minus 1 whole power. Here B is in first row second column. That means I is equal to 1 plus j is equal to 2. J represents the columns here. That's why j is equal to 2 into minor of B1. Minor of B1 is A2 C2, A3 C3. A2 C2, A3 C3, which is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, 3 into A2 C3 minus A3 C2. A2C3 minus A3C2, which is equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus of A2C3 minus A3C2. Similarly, we can do cofactor of C1, cofactor of A2, cofactor of B2, so on. These are cofactors of an given element.